Let's talk concealed carry DIY comfort solutions because in 2026, we are all tired of trying XYZ only to learn that it was just an expensive mistake. Although we are always innovating here at PHLster, there are still parts of this customization process that you can do yourself. Innovating is basically just one big DIY at scale. So in this video, I want to go over DIYs you can use to increase your comfort and concealment, regardless of the holster you're using. First, holster wedges are a key part of customizing a holster prosthetic. In some cases, they exist solely as a comfort modification, and in other cases, they function as a keel in order to get the gun oriented properly according to your body shape. And other times, they serve both purposes at the same time. Because every body is shaped differently, DIYing a wedge solution is often a really great first step towards discovering the proper shape and size wedge for your needs. So here are 3 different types of wedges you can make at home: a sheepskin wedge, a yoga block wedge, and a pillow wedge. Sheepskin wedge. This is hands down my #1 favorite DIY for concealed carry comfort. This particular style of wedge doesn't really offer much in terms of keel, but it's an outstanding source for those who are seeking some kind of comfort padding. It's great because it's an affordable yet organic material that interacts with the skin very nicely. And because it's a wool-like material, it helps to regulate your temperature, wick away moisture, cushion hard holster parts, and increase comfort overall. This solution will require some sewing or adhesives. I purchased my sheepskin scraps from a variety pack on Amazon, and I like this package because it comes with a bunch of different sizes for me to work with. I'd suggest starting with the largest size you might need. You'll want to also source some kind of hook and loop Velcro for attaching the wedge to your holster. Any wedge solution begins with attaching loop Velcro onto your holster. Check out this video for best practices for attaching loop Velcro to your holster body. Next, we need to attach the hook side of the Velcro to the sheepskin material. If you're really crafty, you can use a sewing machine or hand stitch it on. I opted to use spray adhesive directly onto the attachment side of the sheepskin material and then place my adhesive backed Velcro loop directly onto that. So far, I haven't had any issues with it coming off, but keep in mind that durability of the adhesive may depend on how often you remove and reinstall the sheepskin. A yoga block wedge. This wedge material is perfect for creating a wedge that functions like a fulcrum. For all the details about using this type of wedge, I would highly recommend you watch our full wedge masterclass video. It's short and sweet, but will tell you everything you need to know about using this type of wedge. We also have a full video walking you through every aspect of shaping and finishing your very own yoga block wedge. Although most body types can benefit from this particular DIY, it is especially helpful for bodies shaped more like this, because this body shape often needs a more structured wedge to achieve good concealment and overall comfort for the appendix carry position. Keep in mind that you can combine these DIYs by adding a sheepskin outer layer to your yoga block wedge for a more skin-friendly lining and cushion. A sock pillow wedge. This is sort of a DIY and sort of an experiment, but what DIY isn't an experiment? If you're someone who isn't much into DIYs and would rather purchase a ready-made solution, but would like to gain more context before making a purchase, using a pair of socks to determine what wedge size you might need, or if you even need a wedge at all, is a great way to avoid wasting money on the wrong thing. For most people, I'd recommend starting with a smaller pair of socks like this. This isn't a permanent solution by any means, more just something to put in place in the comfort of your home while you're experimenting with carry comfort and concealment techniques like the poke and check method. Moleskin holster covering. This is something that holster makers and consumers have been doing to Kydex holsters for a very long time. This can be a comfort solution for those who experience hot spots or skin discomfort from certain parts of their holster. Adding moleskin to the exterior of your holster is as simple as picking up a roll of moleskin and attaching it to the sections of the holster that may be bothering you or causing skin discomfort. To ensure that it adheres properly, we recommend thoroughly cleaning the exterior of your holster before install. And an important safety tip when it comes to all of these DIYs is that it's very important and crucial that you don't place it anywhere near the opening of the holster, as materials like this have been known to enter the mouth of the holster while seating the gun into the holster and can cause unwanted trigger pulls and a nasty trip to the emergency room or worse. And as I said earlier in this video, know, we're always innovating at PHLster, and these are DIY solutions that in some cases, we might be looking for ways to perfect and scale. But for now, these are just a few concealed carry DIY comfort solutions that you can try at home to increase your concealed carry comfort and your concealment. Thanks for watching this video. If you are still struggling with concealed carry comfort or printing, I would highly recommend that you click on this video next because it's probably going to be a huge help.